Okay, so as many of you guys know, V69 came out for the MediQuest 3 not too long ago. I personally just got my hands on the update not too long ago with a bunch of other people. Well, there's a feature that came out with it. So if we go to settings and we go to experimental, and scroll all the way down, this may or may not appear for everyone, or it could have appeared for you in V68. It's kind of weird how they're rolling it out. But we are going to go ahead and enable seamless multitasking, okay? That's the reason. And now I'm going to go into a game, okay? It can be anything. And now that we're in this game, as you can see, we can just pull those up via the windows. Let's actually move this over here. And we could transfer from the game to actually checking out the everything just like normal. So let's hit play solo. And right now we're actually sitting down. Wait, how did it know that I'm sitting down? Is it just like, is it magic? Okay, anyway, and then we just go on here. We can just do this, and then we go back here. We can just do this, and then if we are ready, we can just move this, hit embark, because it goes back to the game. If we do that, move this over here, and then, just chill playing the game like we normally would. Get this, put this here, and then we could still be like watching our YouTube video, and then all we have to do to get back into the game is just point on the game and whatnot. And then, if we want to get rid of all this together, we can just hit resume. This is meant for like a kind of game where it's just casual, like you don't have to actually be into the game. You can just kind of relax, chill, watch a YouTube video, and best of all, remember the windows you have open as well. Keep in mind this is in beta, and you may have noticed we did switch game because the first game we were going to play, Synth Riders, it is not fully optimized for this type of mode. Not every game will be, hence why this mode is still experimental at the time of this video. But I think it is pretty cool. And honestly, you can do more than just the browser. I just chose the browser for the sake of the browser. Really, we could choose anything we wanted, such as if we wanted to just go straight to the YouTube app itself, we could do that instead and just, do that. Of course, it's a little bit finicky sometimes. Like I said, it's still an experimental, so you gotta give it some kind of break with that. And yeah, we can make it bigger. And we put, yeah, okay. And we can move this whole thing over here, or we can move it over here. That's that's pretty weird. I didn't even know that. But hey, but say we want to watch it like that, we can chill, just watch some videos and whatnot, and go about our business. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it off here. Let me know what you guys think of this, okay? I think it's a nice feature. You can literally multitask now. I'm in a game, but you don't have to be in a game. Or you can use it to look up a video real quick, maybe a helpful guide if you're stuck in a level in a game or something. It is very cool. And that's where I'm going to end it off here. Hopefully you found this helpful. Again, I'm going to show you guys how to enable it as of right now. From the home thing or from wherever you are, you want to go to settings, or alternatively, you can click on quick settings and then go to settings and then go to experimental. Scroll down, you should see seamless multitasking. That's what it's called. And enable it. At this time, it's in experimental, but by the time you watch this in the future, it could very well be to a point where this is the only option, like, as in it's a full feature and not just experimental. But for now, you do have to turn it on. And I think that's pretty cool. I just made it full screen, and then I made it out to full screen, and it remembered all of them. I went into more detail about this whole thing in another video. Feel free to check it out. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.